Here I have DOOGEE N30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SIM pin lock on this device. So firstly, you have to go to settings, then go to the security section, go to the advanced, then SIM card lock. Just enable this feature here, enter your new PIN code, tap OK, and after that SIM pin will be enabled. Let me show you that it actually is enabled. I'm just going to insert the SIM card one more time, and you will see that it requires PIN code to unlock it right now. And as I've said, it requires PIN code to unlock my SIM card. And as you can see, how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.